Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Did you know there's gold inside rocks that can't even be seen under a microscope? Today, we'll discover together how to extract microscopic gold from rocks, step by step. From grinding, to roasting, to melting, until we get real pure metal. The first step is to collect the right rocks from pyrite or schist-rich areas. We look for those rich in sulfides. These often contain invisible microscopic gold. After collecting the samples, we crush them into small pieces for grinding. We grind the rocks until they become very fine. Because microscopic gold is hidden inside mineral grains. The finer the powder, the better the extraction results. The final texture should be like flour. That's when we know the gold has been freed from its host minerals. Screening is one of the most important stages in gold extraction. It helps separate fine, gold-rich particles from larger, useless rocks after crushing. By using sieves of different mesh sizes, you can classify materials and focus only on the fine fraction where most gold is found, saving time and improving recovery efficiency. Now we start the roasting process. We heat the powdered material on coal or gas at around -700 degrees Celsius. The goal is to remove sulfur and break down sulfides so the gold can be released. Remember to be careful. The fumes contain sulfur dioxide, which is toxic. After roasting, we let the material cool and then wash it thoroughly with water to remove any sulfur or salts. This simple but essential step ensures the success of the chemical extraction later. Now we move to the chemical stage. We use aqua regia, a mix of nitric and hydrochloric acids in a 1:3 ratio. This mixture dissolves the gold and turns it into a liquid solution. Important warning: the chemicals used in this process are extremely dangerous, so it is essential to follow all safety precautions carefully. Wear protective gloves to protect your hands. Use a protective mask to avoid inhaling toxic gases. Put on safety goggles to shield your eyes from splashes or fumes. It is highly recommended to work outdoors or under a fume hood to prevent the buildup of harmful vapors. Always remember, safety first, prevention is better than cure. The solution filtration stage is an important step in many chemical and metallurgical processes. It aims to separate solid impurities from the pure liquid. In gold extraction, for instance, after dissolving the metal in a chemical solution, filtration is done to remove clay or rock residues before proceeding to the precipitation or final recovery steps. After filtration, add a small amount of water, then add urea to neutralize the nitric acid. After that, for the precipitation process, add ferrous sulfate dissolved in water. Let it sit overnight to settle at the bottom. Next day. We wash the gold precipitate several times with distilled water to remove any remaining salts. Gold dust at the bottom. Then we let it dry completely and smelt it in a graphite crucible to obtain a real gold bead. I use this dirty crucible, so I think the gold will be dirty as well, since it got mixed with other metals from the crucible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support really helps us grow. Thanks for watching.